What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this video about UNICH, the first and best OTC exchange out there, guys. We're gonna have a look into UNICH and of course also their own token that is also in the pre-market phase. We're gonna have a look into that, guys. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel and thank you very much for your great support. We are always of course covering all the greatest crypto news and whatever is going on here in the crypto space. So welcome on board. And of course, my name is Alessandro and I am always updating you guys whatever is going on here in the crypto space. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. All this content is no financial advice. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying, that I'm selling, my own opinions, everything here in the crypto space, and of course also my own price predictions. And today I want to cover UNICH, guys, this OTC exchange that currently is the biggest one when it comes to OTC trading, and we have some major updates on this new UNICH exchange and of course also on the token itself that is right now in the pre-market phase. And I'm going to tell you why I believe that this is of course a great coin to keep for the long term and especially also to buy in the very early stage. So first of all, I'm going to give you a little recap about the UNICH and what this is all about, just to have your ideas clear. And of course use the link in the video description to UNICH to get to the official website where you can get also their own native token that will be dropping in the next coming weeks and months. And of course hopefully also it's gonna be traded on other exchanges as well, because then of course we are seeing normally the biggest money entering into in a coin, and then of course it goes to the moon. And hopefully also with this one we're gonna have that, and that's why I am currently buying into this coin. Remember guys that you can connect your Solana and also EVM wallet, so connect the both in order to interact with the exchange, and also if you want to buy into the coin with the both variants, you can use a Solana wallet like Phantom and also an EVM wallet like MetaMask, Coinbase and so on. Also Bybit is supported, many wallets are supported. The best is always if you first connect to one, like I'm doing here, for example, with MetaMask. Whatever appears, just click OK. This is just a signature that you're the owner of the wallet and that you want to interact here with the website. And afterwards here, connect also with the Solana wallet. So also here, for example, I'm using most of the times the Phantom wallet. So I'm connecting also here my Phantom wallet to the website, and then of course just click connect, and then you can basically interact here with the website. And now you can also of course here select what kind of token and network that you want to use, Solana or Ethereum, USDC, Ethereum and so on. You can here put the amount that you would like to invest, and this is the amount that you're gonna get. And of course then you can buy here and also get whitelisted for future things and benefits, NFTs and things like that. That's why make sure to be part of it from the beginning on, guys. Link in the video description. And now we're gonna cover some key points. So first of all, this is the first OTC platform providing flexible exit points for both buyers and sellers. This is the pioneer of the pre-market and pre-order models, now expanding also into staking, lending and borrowing from pre-market coins, basically everything on one website. And this is the first ever pre-order with built-in leverage and without a liquidation risk. So this is something that we never have seen before, for example in other exchanges. Here we have also 1.2 billion on-chain trading volume, over 20 million revenue and 5 million and even more users. This is also a buyback and burn mechanism funded by real revenue. The token itself, here also we have low FTV, so 150 millions versus IDO's 3 billions. And the UN token is going to be the community government's token of the whole ecosystem here. You're also gonna be able to free mint NFTs for whitelist users, so freedom teamed of course, and audited. It's also done by SoftStack, so also here trusted by 1inch, Ripple, etc. And they even have this legal entity in Lithuania now. Here, if you look out for UNICH, you can, let me quickly click here. You can see that they also got here licensed. And this is of course also very bullish, because that gives us of course a lot of hope that the token will come out, that the project is legit, and also that hopefully it's gonna be here for the long term as well. So this license is of course very important. And now the pre-market token price is already above 5 no 50 cents. So that's why very, very important, in my opinion, to be early in this one here, because it has everything in order to go to the moon. In my opinion, the token itself, and of course also the project itself, it's something unique. And that's why I think that you definitely should give it a try. And here also on the website here, you can see everything, for example, how to get it on the Google Play Store, App Store, the app, if you want to use the app, and so on. So everything is really accessible, easy here through the website itself. Check it with the link in the video description, guys, and of course be subscribed here, because I'm gonna keep you updated, and also, yeah, in future videos I keep you updated here, of course, as well. And also remember, here we have already 1.2 billions traded on-chain on pre-market OTC. That means that this is something big already. So here we have already a product that is running, and this is just launching the token now after the product is basically already launched. And over 5 million users we have here already. So this is of course a great thing. So it's not just like a project that still has to be developed and so on. So here we have basically already a running product. You can already download even the app, not only here directly on the website, you can also directly download the app already. And the native token will be launched very, very soon. So in my opinion, we have here a once in a lifetime opportunity almost. Of course, no financial advice, no promises, guys, but in my opinion, we are currently in the beginning of a major altcoin season and major bull run. I think it's just a matter of time until things are going to go parabolic. And that's why I think that it's not a bad idea to be positioned also with new upcoming cryptos, to have at least a chance to be in a low cap crypto before it is going to the moon. And this one really has everything, in my opinion, that is needed in order to be different, and also to be not only a short-term pump and 100x gainer, but also for the long term to have a long-term growth upside potential. And the UN token is the UNICH's native token. It is used for community governments, propose, vote on protocol changes and so on. And of course, also transparent financials. You can see it also here on the website, everything what this is all about, the native token. Here you can see different utilities of the token as well here on their website. And of course, we have now early access as well to the token itself, guys. And remember, with every time that the countdown is going down to 0, whenever you want to invest into this coin, the higher the price will go. That's why very, very important to understand that. And why I believe that also this token stands out is because of its buyback and burn feature with real revenue, so 30 profits burned quarterly. Then we have low FDF, so only 150 millions, strong performance versus competitors, so whales 400 millions, IDO 3 billions, and of course also the tokenomics, because 100% first year tokens go to the community, the team investors 1 year lock, and also 3 years vesting. And around 80% of total supply is then at the end for the community. So in my opinion, because of those strong fundamentals, it is possible, of course, to achieve maybe a 2x or even more than that right at launch, and probably also long term much more. Of course, no financial advice, guys. No one knows how high those coins can go, but in my opinion here we have really a no-brainer. At least this is why I am currently buying into this coin. And right now you can of course buy at a discount via the white list here. As I told you, you just connect here the wallet like I'm doing, and then you're ready to go. You just click OK. And remember, there are different rounds. The price keeps going up, and currently this is the price. The next price will be then this one here. That's why it is good, of course, to be early. And also, if you have, for example, this NFT, unique NFT on the Solana network, then you can also be whitelisted here, because free NFT for whitelist users. So this is symbolizing basically freedom. Also, if you have someone that you want to share, for example, your referral code, you can also get 11% in those coins as a reward as well. So if you maybe have some friends, you can also share the link to your friends, because like that, also you're going to get 11% referral commission as well. It's kind of an affiliate link basically that you can also get here through the website. If you connect both wallets, you need to be connected with both wallets, MetaMask and also Solana. And also here we have a great performance. I mean, it's a leading pre-market volume with Dude, Pump, and so on. Sometimes even outpaces centralized exchanges. And of course, you can also follow their social media platforms here. Also very important, guys. They are all linked here down here. So you just click them here. also Telegram, Discord, and so on. You can see different channels. You see that they have over 500,000 followers already, and of course bringing a lot of updates out, so just follow them. And of course also feel free to leave here as well some likes, like in this video for example, if you like this free crypto content, guys. And the important thing that you always have to check whenever you are buying into new coins like this, at least when they have already a product out, it is already good, in my opinion. But even more important is of course the audits, and here it is by SoftStack. So the audits are very, very important, guys, and if you click the link, you can get here to the complete audit here on SoftStack. And this is, in my opinion, something very, very critical and crucial, that it has to have some kind of a third-party approval. And here it is approved by SoftStack. Then also it is already legally registered, as I told you here, also based on the website here, licensed in Lithuania. So of course also here very important that this one is already listed and licensed as well. And this is also added in their CoinGecko portfolio when I checked it. And you can see that they have already partnered up with different exchanges and platforms, CoinMarketCap, OKX, Bybit, Coinbase, and so on. And you can check out here, for example, on CoinGecko. If you click here, you can see here UNICH. The website here is already written here, Coinbase, so you can click through the different supporters here, basically where UNICH is already basically inserted. And yeah, otherwise important is of course the utility case for the token itself, the overall UNICH ecosystem that is of course needed, because there are going to be three main features here on their website, and this is very important. The first of all is pre-market, then pre-order, and then also futures trading. And pre-order means leverage without liquidation prices, and this is what it's different between normal leverage trading and this pre-order trading here directly on the UNICH. And this is something completely unique. So this is something that we never had before. And also here, if you click, for example, into pre-market, you can click here. You can also see that that UNICH pays a commission in advance as well. And here you can see a nice overview. And the ecosystem is of course extremely important here, and you can basically check out every single feature that they have. Everything is completely and nicely illustrated here and easy accessible also for beginners. So very, very easy and simple. And the good thing is that you can just connect the wallet and directly start to trade here. So you don't have to do a deposit, nothing. You can directly start to trade with your DeFi wallet. And then of course, if you return to the website, you can also check out, for example, the pre-order features and so on. So you can check out here really everything. And also if you have, for example, some questions, you can contact the support, or you can leave a question here or in our community. I'm sure someone can help you as well. And otherwise, of course, check the frequently asked questions here directly on their website. So I am invested, guys, and as I told you, if you want to invest, make sure to be first of all connecting both wallets, Solana and also the EVM wallet, to the website, so both of them, and then you can interact with it. The best is always if you connect both Solana and also an EVM wallet, because like that, first of all, you can interact directly with all chains here on the dashboard. And also if you have, for example, a friend that you want to share, for example, the referral link, you can do that. Otherwise, of course, here you can directly buy with whatever wallet that you want. And me, usually I'm buying with Ethereum, and that's why I'm using always the Ethereum chain here. And the coins will be locked here on the website until launch, guys, so keep that in mind. And feel free also, if you have any kind of other questions, to leave it here in the comment section. But I think that's it for now, guys. I'm very bullish for this OTC exchange, and of course also for the token itself. And right now I think that we can have it at a very discounted and good price before the big listing on exchanges, hopefully at some point. And that is of course important, because whenever a coin is getting launched and you entered in the pre-market phase when it's still low market cap, then of course we have the greatest upside potential ever. This has also been the case with Doge, with Pepe, with many other utility coins and meme coins in the past. The people that got in the pre-market phase, of course, they did the biggest gains, not the ones that bought already once the coin pumped like crazy. And that's why I think that here we have a great buy opportunity right now. Of course, no financial advice, but as I told you guys, there are different reasons why I believe that the project is legit, and also it will come out, and also that the token will be a good one even to hold for the long term, not only for immediate short-term gains, but also to hold it for the long term, like we also have seen in other utility coins or exchange tokens on Maxi Global, Binance with their BNB token, Uniswap in the DeFi space, and so on. So in my opinion, a great one to buy in. Of course, no financial advice, it's just my own opinions, and I just wanted to share that with you. And of course, also you can check out here the website and all articles and everything about UNICH and all the partners, everything. So it's very transparent, very big, and already now partnered up with the important companies here in the crypto space as well. You can check out everything, guys, and of course also follow with their social media platforms, because like that you keep always updated here whatever is going on and whatever kind of news that we're getting here on UNICH as well. And download also their app, of course, it's all accessible here through their website. Alright guys, stay subscribed to keep you updated on UNICH as well. Of course, I am invested, and hopefully this one is getting also a nice pump at the beginning. At launch would be great, of course. You never also have to sell everything. You can also, whenever we're doing gains, take a little bit out and the rest let it run if you want. What I'm doing is always with those new coins that you can get here. Also UNICH is listed right here at the top, guys. I'm always, whenever I'm doing some gains, take out my initial investment, have it ready for the next upcoming crypto, take maybe a little bit of profits out, and then let the rest run basically, because you never know how high a coin can go. Of course, also how low it can go, but we are here in the crypto space to try out new stuff as well. So that's why it is very important that you are also open up to try out new crypto projects as well. At least this is what I am doing, guys, and you can, of course, also follow me. Alright, guys, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.